Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your screen in a call in Slack. This is perfect when you're collaborating with teammates, walking someone through a document, presenting a design, or troubleshooting an issue live. Screen sharing in Slack is fast, simple, and built right into huddles and calls. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're signed into your Slack workspace and that you're in the correct channel or direct message where the call will happen. Slack screen sharing works inside a Huddle, which is Slack's lightweight audio and video meeting feature. Navigate to the channel or conversation where you want to start or join a Huddle. Once you're there, start or join an active one by clicking the headphone or Huddle icon at the top of the conversation. When the Huddle opens, you'll see a small control bar with different options for audio, video, reactions, and screen sharing. To share your screen, look for the Share Screen icon in the Huddle controls and click on it. Slack will now prompt you to choose what you want to share. You can select an entire screen, a specific application window, or a single browser tab, depending on what you need to show. This is really useful if you only want to present one app and keep everything else private. After selecting your screen, window, or tab, confirm your choice. Your screen will immediately become visible to everyone in the Huddle. You'll also see a preview or indicator showing that your screen is currently being shared, so you always know what others can see. While sharing your screen, you can continue talking, switching between apps, or scrolling through content as needed. If you need to switch to a different window or tab, you can stop the current share and start a new one at any time using the same Share Screen button. When you're finished presenting, simply click Stop Sharing. This instantly ends the screen share for everyone in the call, and you'll return to the normal Huddle view. From here, you can continue the conversation, share your screen again, or leave the Huddle whenever you're done. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully shared your screen in a Slack call using a Huddle. This feature is incredibly helpful for remote teams, quick walkthroughs, and real-time collaboration without needing a separate meeting tool. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.